Have you ever seen a plant grow? I've intently tried staring at the plant to see it change, but I've realized that it's very difficult for me to stay focused and to keep the memory of this gradual change. But for the computer, that's quite easy, right? For the past 2-3 years, I've been working on this opus called The Plant Machine. And it looks at how actually in the eye of the algorithm, we all seem to be already plants. The algorithm cannot tell the difference between a human and a plant through the data it gets. I found that to be a really interesting turn, right? When we are all looking towards plants that are otherwise fully ignored, part of the scenery, and we're trying to rescue them from this ignorance or plant blindness that we had. By looking at the properties of algorithms and this surveillance capitalism within which we live, I came to realize that we as humans find ourselves now in a very similar position as we've put the plants into. So that was sort of the starting point of thinking how actually to make algorithms for plants is to actually write algorithms for ourselves as well. I've been working on projects that explore this kind of interaction. The first one was about reading lips, completely misunderstanding plants in a sort of humorous way, but also pointing to our insistence on using language as the way we communicate with plants, right? The second one was about this technology of biosurveillance that we very willingly wear, like smartwatches specifically.
He's earning 11,000 steps without moving.
And in that project, it was the plants that were wearing the smartwatches and sending information about their activity to the gluttonous data centers. And then this third one is called Play. And it's really about a plant and an AI that's embodied in this robot trying to play with each other. We are using the not so modest cucumber, which actually grows with tendrils. So the tendrils kind of move around and they are looking for something to grab onto. If it touches the tendrils that the computer is moving really slowly, that sends a signal to the computer to tweak its image according to that. We also have the LiDAR scanner to take 3D scan of the plants as they're moving about. All algorithms use this self-learning capacity. Basically, there's two components, one that creates and the other one that discriminates, and then they sort of teach each other. And here, actually, the AI is the generator, so that's its imaginary space, whereas the plant is the discriminator. So the plant here also acts to create the image of the computer actively. The point is not that it captures the plant as it is in its reality, but in its possibility. To get these results that I've been really looking forward to will take a little while longer because the whole project is unfolding at plant space. And that's also the reason why we are making this project, because we have no idea what will come out of it.